Hey guys, today we have a damaged L3210 printer that doesn't turn on. This could be caused by a damaged power supply. To confirm our diagnosis, we tested its power supply and as you can see, 0 yung lumalabas sa tester, meaning ito yung reason why hindi gumagana ang printer. Now to fix the problem, we replace it with our brand new compatible power supply for L3210 printer. You can get our compatible power supply at our website, INKE.ph. Or if you have any printer problem, you can visit us here, or message us on our Facebook page, or call us with these numbers. Once the damaged power supply is replaced, it's time to reassemble the printer. Now that it's done, let's check. And as you can see, the printer is now good to go.